Welcome to today's video. If you are a Tumblr user and want to personalize your profile, one of the best ways is by adding a header image. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the exact steps using the Tumblr mobile app, making it simple and clear. First, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your avatar to access your profile page. Then, tap on Change Your Avatar. Next, at the top right corner, you will see a small edit icon. Then, look for the option that says Choose a Photo. Tap on it, and your phone's gallery will open. Now, browse your images and select the photo you want to use as your header image. After you select the photo, you will notice a check icon at the top left corner. Tap on it to confirm your changes. Finally, at the top right corner, click on Save again to apply your new header image. Your Tumblr profile will now look more personal and visually appealing. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.